So how are you guys in self-quarantine? As you can see, I've been eating, sleeping, watching TV, repeating. It's a couple of projects that I've been doing other than being in the workshop. I'm here in the country with my wife and her family. So mainly I've been doing some small things such as picking those coconuts in the tree. Sometimes I come out here, relax. But there's a project that I've been working from. There's a project that I wanted to catch up on for a while. And I'm going to show you that now. So just hang in there until I take you to said project. So guys, this is what it's about. This is my YZ426. This is a bike that I bought near 10 or 15, around 16 years ago, guys. And this bike was just there in my workshop, sitting down doing nothing. So what I did, I picked this down to nuts and bolts. I painted the frame. Yeah, some of the paint got scraped off, but that's nothing. So I had some plastics that I bought for this years ago, and I'm planning to get this here starting, get this back together, and probably sell this to some other lucky guy. So guys, this is the project that I was talking to you about. I think it has electrical problems, so I've got the tester to test the stator, to test the electrical system, make sure that's right. Then I will clean the carburetor, make sure that is right, start kicking again, and if I can't get the problem solved, then I will have to get a pro come in and take a look at it, guys. So tell me what you think. If you want to see more on this project, let me know in the comments below. Just if you are very interested in this, seeing how this progress, tell me in the comments. Like and subscribe. This is Alex, Woodworking Dude, out. So this is it. It's been down for a couple of years, as you can see.